soon. So this is what I have, because right now I am currently charging with this Zencar Level 1 EVSE charger on a Nema 5 15 outlet. So right now I decided to go and get one because the house is old. So I decided to get this right here, and this is Nema 1030 outlet to Nema 1030 plug and to Nema 1450 outlet. This is plugged in, so let me go ahead and move this around here and plug this in. This is live. All right, does it easily? And let's see if it is powered on. Yes, it is powered on. Welcome to the channel. I got a package ready for me, and okay, I'm gonna pick up this Amazon box and see what I got in here. All right, welcome back. So right now I got a package. I have to do this in my car because I no longer live at current residence. I will explain that sometime soon. So this is what I have, because right now I am currently charging with this Zencar Level 1 EVSE charger on a Nema 5 15 outlet. So right now I decided to go and get one because the house is old. So I decided to get this right here, and this is Nema 1030 outlet to Nema 1030 plug and to Nema 1450 outlet. And I also bought a Nema 1030 wire and plug for the dryer, and that's where it is gonna go to. So I'm gonna show you guys where that is. So I will be posting the video of what is actually going on. I've been, saying a little bit to you guys about some of our videos about there's some personal things I'm dealing with, so I will explain that later on, but not right now. So right now I have the Nema 1030 outlet right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in to see how that's gonna go. So here's the EV extension cord. This is made for EV. That's the reason why I bought it, and it was really feels good, high quality. So let me go ahead and let's see right here. So this is Nema 1030p to 1450R, and this is 20 foot, and this has a 10 AWG C3C. So, and it says sub level 20-foot EV charger. I guess it didn't spell everything else. With our handle ETL listed. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. And if you want one of these, I have the Amazon link. I'll post that in the description. So just want to let you guys know I got this from Amazon. This is what I have right here. So let me go ahead and cut this loose. All right, so it did plugged in, so I got the right outlet to plug, because I was like, man, I hope I got the right one. So it worked, and it fits in. Actually, if I really want it, so the dryer actually has a Nema 1430, I think. I believe that's what it is, 1430, or if I'm wrong, please post that in the description. I mean, post it in the comment. And this is long enough for me to put it through the window over there, and I'll put it through. So I'll be right back. All right, so I temporarily cut a cardboard just to cover the bottom of the window. So let me go to the outside and see what we got. Yes, this is how I wanted it for now, and I just won't be able to go underneath, but it is good. So this is the outlet. So let me go ahead and get my EVSE, the Pion Power. I do have another one, but I will get the Pion Power and use that because that's a EVSE that I have. So I'll be right back. All right, so let me go ahead and unplug this because this one is connected. The outlet out here is connected to the microwave, and I always get tripped whenever I use a microwave. And pick up, take out the power right here. So let me go ahead and take that out. If you want to see the unboxing of that one, you can check out the video. And what I love about Power is it is detachable, the outlet. So this is the Nema 1450 outlet, the plug, and this is the Nema 515 plug. So I like it, very good. So let me go ahead and plug this in. This is plugged in, so let me go ahead and move this around here and plug this in. This is live. Plug this in. All right, does it easily? And let's see if it is powered on. Yes, it is powered on. I don't know if you can see the light. The problem with this, just let me make sure that let me see if it's gonna start immediately, but I need to change the setting. So hold on, this is the app right here. I just need to make sure I change the setting. And I am connected, so I need to change the current to, so it's not connected yet, so let me go back. All right, so if you have a problem with the login, so you can just go to use and charge, and it will take you there. That means it's not going to be Wi-Fi connected, like connect to the app. So let me see here. Let's see, so I'm going to change this to 20. Okay, I can change 26 amps. Let's see if it's going to trip the breaker, and we will go from there. So let me see here. 99. Sent 100. So let's save, confirm. So let me go ahead and so it's still not set to 40 amps yet. It is, oh, it says a max charging of 40 amps. So let me go ahead and plug this in and see what it does. All right, so let me go ahead and plug in. And all right, it started charging. So let's see here if the app, okay, it's showing connection error. Let's see here. All right, so it is charging at 24.8 amps, and it is, the current voltage is 240.9 volt. The current is 24.8 amps, and the charging speed is 5.9 kilowatt. It is much better than charging at a 1.4 kilowatt. So let me see what the car is getting right now. And I am getting 6.2 kilowatt. Awesome. So it's gonna take 7 hours 10 minutes, but that's fine. I'm just gonna drive today, and I'll let it charge for at least I got an hour, and I should be able to add some energy to that. So overnight it's gonna be a little bit faster. Pretty much this is like the charging speed of charge point charging stations, the level 2 charging stations that you find around out there. So that's what you're gonna find. So session where you think about this outlet, and actually the extension cord for EVs. Let me know what you think about it, because you might be in a situation where you need something like this, especially when you are at a property that doesn't belong to you, and you're renting, and there's no place to install, and you cannot install the EV outlet on that property. So I'll be back if with more in-depth on this extension cord, and I'll do more in-depth review about that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.